Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to write an About Me bio on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click the User Settings gear icon at the bottom left to open the settings modal. Click the Edit Profiles button so the profile editor opens on screen. Click into the What's Your Villain Origin Story field. This is where your About Me bio appears on your profile card. Type your bio. For this example I'm typing coffee, code, and pixel art. Click the Save button at the bottom of the screen, and your profile updates with the new bio. Your About Me bio can be up to 190 characters long, so you've got room for a short description, and even a couple of emojis if you want. If your Save button stays grayed out, make sure you've actually typed something into the field. An empty bio won't trigger the Save option. You can come back and edit your bio anytime by following these same steps. And that's how to add an About Me bio to your Discord profile. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.